Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So in this video here, we're going to be talking about the difference between soaking seeds and not soaking your seeds. So there are some varieties of seeds that do benefit from being soaked, and people ask, well, does it really make a difference? Do I really have to soak certain seeds? So this was an experiment that my dad tried, and these here are red beet seedlings, and this side of the tray here, the seeds were soaked, and this side over here, they were not. And this was planted, trying to think, I think it was last month these were planted. So where this tag stops at here, all of these back here were not soaked at all. And you can see there is a huge difference between soaking your seeds and not soaking your seeds. So the benefits of soaking your seeds is, for one, if you have a really hard seed coating, it does help to soften that seed coating up so that your seeds can sprout faster. Another thing that it can help with is there are some seeds, like your parsley seeds, that actually have a natural germination inhibitor on them. So when you soak those seeds for 48 hours and you change the water twice, when you're soaking them, they will actually come up and germinate faster for you. Now I am trying an experiment with some pepper seeds. I tried soaking them because peppers can be more difficult to germinate. They require a certain temperature, or they won't want to germinate for you, but they also have a very hard seed coating. So I am trying some experiments with soaking my pepper seeds to see if they actually will come up faster. And you can also soak hyacinth bean seeds. You can soak your regular green bean seeds, your wax beans, and those types of beans. Now, you can also soak nasturtiums, and you can soak sweet peas, both ornamental and edible. There are all different types of seeds that you can soak, and they do come up faster. And something that you do want to remember when you're soaking your seeds is you do want to make sure that you check on them every single day, because they will start sprouting in the water. You don't want to forget about them and have your seeds actually rot. So you do want to check on them. Now there are some varieties where they recommend that you only soak them for a few hours. Rosella Red, I think it's 3 to 4 hours that you soak those. That's a type of hibiscus that you can make different teas and jellies from parts of the flower. I can't remember what it's called right now. But some packs will actually give you tips for how long to soak your seeds for. Other ones you can find out some different information online about them. So typically what I do, so I don't forget that I'm soaking my seeds, is I will put them on the vanity or something like that, so I will see them and I'll remember that they're there. I'll remember to change the water, and I won't forget about them. Because I have had seeds already sprout in the water, and then I had to plant them out. Not the easiest thing to do, because you don't want to damage the roots on them. And another thing is, when you do soak them, the seeds, they are a little harder to work with because they are wet. So that is something else to keep in mind. But definitely I do recommend soaking certain varieties of seeds rather than just planting them in, because you can see the difference here. And moringa trees is another one. That one there, you do need to soak those. It's recommended to soak them. So there is a huge difference between soaking your seeds and not soaking your seeds. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification button. It'll tell us to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.